Hi, let's see about the local and global variable in Python. I am creating a set channel name function and declaring variable channel name inside the function. Print the channel name to check in the console. Calling that function. And print the channel name variable outside the function. Let's see what's happening. See the log of channel name. We got error where channel name is not defined in the line number 12. To access the channel name outside the function, need to declare the variable globally. Okay, I am creating the channel name outside the function with the value of no name. Okay, run the code and check the console. See the global variable and local variable values are different. Let's see how to use the global variable inside the set channel name function. Add the global keyword inside the function with variable name. Now the scope of the variable inside the function changed to global. Let's see the output again. See, now all the printed value is same, because inside the function referring to the global variable.